Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Webmin and create scheduled backups, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, enter your server's IP address followed by the port number for Webmin. For example, type in http:// your server IP 10,000. Press the enter key to navigate to the Webmin login page. You will see a login form requesting your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Click the login button to access the Webmin interface. Once you are logged in, look for the backup option on the main dashboard. Click on Backup to expand the backup settings. From the drop-down, select Scheduled Backup. You will now see options to configure your backup settings. Choose the modules you wish to backup. Select the destination for your backup files. You can choose either a local folder on the server or a remote storage option. Set the frequency of the scheduled backups according to your needs. Common options include daily, weekly, or monthly backups. Specify the time of day when the backup should occur. Click on the Create button to finalize your scheduled backup setup. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the scheduled backup has been created. To verify your settings, return to the Scheduled Backup section. Review the list of all scheduled backups to ensure your new settings appear. If you need to edit or delete a scheduled backup, this can be done from the same section. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into Webmin and created scheduled backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.